Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Synthesia, create AI avatar videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Synthesia. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Once the page loads, locate the login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will now see a prompt for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Synthesia account. Next, click on the Continue button. You should receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password accurately. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your password, click on the Login button. After a moment, you should be logged into your account. Now, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. To create AI avatar videos, find the Video Creation tool. Click on it to start the process of making your video. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your avatar and settings. Once satisfied, proceed to generate your video. Review the final output and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, save your video to your desired location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.